I'm Finn Soto, and I'm in AP Art. I'm a senior, and I really enjoy the class. So basically, we get to choose our own concentration of specifically work that we want to work on in the class. And he basically lets you choose whatever medium you want as long as it's 2D, because I'm in AP 2D art. And you get to choose your concentration, but my concentration was the disturbing, and we basically get to focus on a specific art interest that's important to you and implement it into your work. And that's really interesting because no other art class allows you to do that. This is the only art class where you make your own assignments, and I think that's just really cool, and I like to be in the class.
Hi, I'm Skylar Thomas, and if you're watching this video, you're probably thinking about taking art next year. Here's some reasons why you should. Mr. Porter allows for a lot of creativity and wiggle room in your projects, and it's really a great space to learn how to be creative and apply your ideas in a technical way. Mr. Porter also gives really good criticism and technique skills, and it's definitely helped me improve my art from a more technical standpoint. It's a great class to grow, it's a great class to express yourself, and it's really fun. So you should take art.
Hey everyone, my name is Mr. Porter. I'm an art teacher at Aquilanes High School. I teach 2D and 3D art. I'm out in room 506. I hope you enjoyed this show. Some really amazing work. Very proud of my Aquilanes students and all the hard work they put into it over the years. Awesome stuff. If you'd like to know more about art, please use that QR code you saw earlier. It'll take you to a Google page where you can read about each class offering and more specifics on what you'll be learning. Alternatively, you can come see me in Academy. I'd be happy to answer any and all of your questions regarding art there. Now keep in mind, art is for everybody, for all ability levels. If you think you can't draw, a lot of those kids' work that you saw, they said the same thing. Porter, I can't draw. I'm not good at this. Look what they've done. Take some risks, put yourself out there, you'll be surprised what you can do. Art is for everybody. Hope to see you guys soon. Really looking forward to getting back into the classroom, getting our hands dirty, and helping you all out with some amazing stuff. I'll see you soon.